Welcome back to Houston Life. We have all been dealing with this heat and humidity. Unfortunately, our front and backyards are certainly taking a hit.
Oh my goodness, the lawns, right? Houston Life's Mel Kemp got some ideas on what to do around the home that can help you get through this drought.
Guys, thank you so much. Yes, it is hot. It is hot, right? Are you feeling
No, it is hot. There's no question. You know, normal conditions, a little bit easier right now in July. But fact is, it's tough. And it's tough on your lawn.
It really is. Okay, and so this is why we have Riley Jenkins from ABC Home and Commercial Services here on the show on Houston Life to give us some tips on what we can do around our garden, around our home to make sure that we're like, would you say heat-proofing? Heat-proofing our lives?
It could be heat-proofing, or you could be just heat preparation. The fact is this, it's tough on your lawn, and we're putting a lot of water on our lawns to try to keep them looking somewhat green and somewhat healthy, and struggling to get there. We got water restrictions going around right now.
Well, we're in the thick of a drought.
It is, and it's tough. So, neat idea, artificial turf. What a great opportunity to talk about artificial turf. One, for the beauty of it, and the other is for the for the fun of it. It's so much fun to be able to go out in your yard and kind of chip around a little bit. We'll go from another angle and see if we can get that one. There we go.
Yay!
Without even lining up. So having a good-looking yard is important to you. It's relevant to that curb appeal. So you can put these in. Kids can play on it year-round. If we have just a huge rainstorm, an hour later, it's all dry and clean. They can come out here and play and have a great time. So think about the issues of that lawn, what you could do with replacing it with artificial turf. Same thing with pests.
Yeah.
This is, you know, certain insects adjust to certain conditions.
Right.
And so a lot of insects are being drawn to the house because you got your irrigation on, you got the lights on, and they're being drawn to the house. So those large roaches, crickets, spiders.
I've seen a lot of those large roaches, the ones that fly, like the brown ones that fly.
And they really do get your attention, especially if they get too close. So focusing on, if you're going to do your own pest control, focus on the outside. So your trees, your shrubs, your ivy beds, we have all that mulch. Just with those large roaches, they want to get away from that hot temperature too, so they get underneath that mulch. Make sure you're treating in those areas. Not inside the house. You don't need to go put a bunch of chemicals in there. That's not going to solve the problem. The root of the problem, out in the yard.
Right, so you treat out in the yard, and then it's keeping it away from your family.
Right.
But also keeping the bugs away from your
Same thing with those ants as well. But then we got to talk about the pool a little bit, because evaporation is really taking over in a big way right now.
I thought we were just going to go for a swim now.
Well, we could. I mean, that's fine. It's a beautiful day to do it. If anything, this is the weather.
This is a beautiful pool.
Yes, it is. I mean, the great thing about a pool is you get to enjoy it in the evenings and just really kind of chill down in the backyard and enjoy it. But the issue is this. We have a lot of evaporation going on. Just like with the yard stressing it, we're stressing the pool. So with the pool, what we're going to find is that evaporation is going to lower the water level. It's going to get a little bit drier. You can't let it run dry. That equipment is very dependent upon this pool having consistent water on it. So you got to go out and you're going to have to put the water in the pool. So if you're not doing that, then you're going to have a lot of issues with the equipment.
Right, okay, that's interesting. I mean, how much water are we going to have to be putting in our pools, depending on the size and the evaporation rate?
It's a daily issue in that you need to make sure it doesn't go below the skimmer line. And the minute it goes below the skimmer line, that means that pump is running dry, and it's pulling water on the inside, that not getting the water it needs. So that equipment is getting hotter, and it's going to have a lot more issues with pumps and filters and everything else. So, big thing is pay attention to water levels.
And then you can enjoy it. Oh man, that is so, the temperature in here is so good. Okay, you know what? I think I'm going to hang around. I might actually take a dip. Perhaps we can organize some, like, I don't know.
Some burgers and some beer, and we can have a great day out here.
Yeah,
That's a good idea. It's perfect.
Fantastic. You with me?
I'm in.
All right, we'll call some friends. Yeah, we're going to call some friends. Sending it back to you guys. Sorry, you have to continue on with the show, but we are going to chill here and enjoy the heat because we can. With all those tips. Thank you so much, Riley.
Perfect. Great. Thank you.
Mel and Raleigh, thank you so much. And as a special for Houston Life viewers, ABC is offering $150 off all turf installation of more than 500 square feet. For more info, you can go to abchomeandcommercial.com/Houston. Their phone number is 281-730-9500. You can also visit our website and check out the Scene on Houston Life section.
You know what? The turf, you don't track any mud and grass particles.
I remember when you did yours. I know you're a fan. It's a game changer. All right, coming up on Houston.